Before Socrates questioned ethics in the Athenian agora, a group of thinkers had already begun to reshape human understanding. These early philosophers, known as the Pre-Socratics, dared to explore the universe without relying on mythology, marking the beginning of rational inquiry in the Western world. The pre-Socratic philosophers emerged in ancient Ionia and southern Italy during the 6th and 5th centuries BCE. What set them apart was their revolutionary approach. They sought natural explanations for the cosmos instead of attributing everything to the will of the gods. In doing so, they planted the seeds of science, logic, and critical thinking, foundations that continue to influence modern philosophy and science alike. Thales of Miletus, often considered the first philosopher, proposed that water was the fundamental substance of all things. His work wasn't just speculation, it reflected a shift toward reasoning based on observation. Anaximander followed, introducing the concept of the Apeiron, an indefinite, boundless source behind all matter. These weren't merely abstract ideas, they were attempts to understand reality through logic and reason. Heraclitus of Ephesus, known for his doctrine that everything flows, focused on change as the essence of existence. In contrast, Parmenides of Elea argued that change is an illusion and that true reality is unchanging and eternal. These opposing views sparked a philosophical debate about being and becoming that still captivates thinkers today. Empedocles introduced the idea of four root elements: earth, air, fire, and water, while Democritus anticipated atomic theory by suggesting that everything is made of indivisible particles. These pre-Socratic theories, although primitive by today's standards, represent the dawn of natural philosophy. What makes the pre-Socratics particularly fascinating is not just their ideas, but the mindset they embodied. They challenged accepted beliefs, questioned appearances, and sought to understand existence through reason. Their legacy is not just in their doctrines, but in the courage to think differently. For modern readers, revisiting pre-Socratic philosophy offers more than historical insight, it's a reminder of the power of inquiry. In an age dominated by noise and opinion, these early thinkers invite us to pause, ask questions, and seek truth with clarity and patience. Which pre-Socratic philosophers' ideas do you find most intriguing, and how do you think their questions still apply to the modern world?